Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing something that I've been needing to do for like years now, which is cleaning out my closet and actually getting rid of all the clothes that I don't wear. I actually have a lot of clothes, like too many clothes, and I do not have enough space for new clothes, but I also have so many clothes that I don't wear that are taking up space in all my drawers and my closet and in my like other storage. So today I'm literally throwing everything away. We're done with this bucket or basket. Now into this basket. This is the pile of stuff that I'm getting rid of. Now, time to move on to my dresser, where I hoard a lot of clothes that I really don't wear, but don't want to get rid of. I also have some jeans here, like some Levi's, some True Religion, some more Levi's, that I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell these, but I'm gonna throw these in that pile. This is a really cute dress, but it is too small for me now. I love the shirt, but no, this one, I loved this shirt, only probably wore like 2-3 times, but I do not wear that, never reach for it. Same thing with that. My jeans. Not gonna wear these anymore. Skirts. Bought these from Fashion Nova, never wore them in a video. Never going to wear them. Mini skirt, not gonna wear it. Jegging jeans, no. Now this bottom drawer, I definitely just throw stuff in here. I for surely don't want none of that. These, no. 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 My mom's gonna be so mad because when I got my corporate job, she took me shopping and bought me all these like, you know, nice corporate clothes, and I do not. I don't need those, sis. So these were some really nice chinos that I got from Old Navy. I might sell these. I will never wear this Hoochie Mama dress again. Nope. Nope. Old as hell, no. Cute dress, not gonna wear it. No. But I just can't get way shiny. No. Cute dress from Vegas, not gonna wear it. No, decent quality too. Now I am going through all of this pile of clothes to decipher what could be like sold, what can be donated, and what needs to be just like thrown in. Finally getting down to the end of this pile, and I must say I am very proud of myself because I feel like this is a lot of clothes that I typically, you know, would be like, oh, I can keep these, oh, I need these, and honestly I really don't. And so I still feel like I have too many clothes. Like I didn't get enough of, or I didn't get rid of enough stuff. But we're gonna see as far as, you know, just like putting, I have 2 bins of clothes still, of clothes that I'm still keeping, which I feel like is pointless, but it might not be because all my clothes were dirty, so maybe that might work out for me. But I think I'm going to first try to take these pile of clothes over here to Buffalo Exchange and see what they'll give me for them. Some stuff is brand new. There's a lot of jeans, a lot of brand new jeans, a lot of good stuff. So I'm gonna see what they'll give me for those. And there's some sweaters and things like that. Typically Buffalo Exchange be some haters and they don't accept the stuff that I bring them, and they just take like 2 things, and then I'll be like, there's some good ass stuff. So if they don't take any of that, all of this is going to go to donations. I do have a donation pile over here of stuff that I know they won't take, so I'm not even going to waste my time having to look through it. So now I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do next.